AGM, a Chinese-based manufacturer, has established itself as a reliable brand in the market thanks to its focus on creating durable outdoor products. The company's range of gadgets is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions and rough handling, and their new thin rugged form factor is no exception. This is the AGM H6. This phone offers an excellent combination of essential smartphone features and most of all a sturdy build quality. While the phone may not be the most powerful rugged option on the market currently, it is still a great choice for those who value robustness and very reliable performance. With that said, let's first start by unboxing this guy and then take a look at it. Besides the smartphone, the box includes a charging cable, a user manual, stickers, and a 10-watt power adapter. The AGM H6 is designed to be an outdoor smartphone, and it is built to military standards. Its rubberized, rounded edges make it capable of surviving even higher drops from 1.8 meters without expecting any damage. The phone also comes with an IP68 certificate, which means the device is protected against water damage up to a certain extent. So, if you accidentally drop your phone in the pool or get it caught in the rain, you don't have to worry too much. The phone's dimensions measure 172mm by 80 by 10.75mm, which makes it an ideal size for users who want a device that isn't too big or too small. There is no doubt this is one of the slimmest rugged phones, and with that it is rather easy to hold and use with a single hand. Additionally, the phone's weight of 244 grams is relatively light compared to other outdoor rugged intended phones. This lightweight is due to the phone's use of lightweight materials that does not compromise on durability or strength. I can safely say that this thing looks like it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. On the back, the H6 has a relatively nice textured and grippy surface, thanks to which the device feels even more comfortable and not so slippery in the hand like other phones. Now, when it comes to the display, the AGM H6 has made a slight improvement from its predecessor, but it still only has a HD resolution of 1612 by 720 pixels with an IPS panel. At a screen size of 6.56 inches, it makes for a decent size for a smartphone. However, the H6 now boasts a 90Hz refresh rate, which is a significant improvement over its earlier models. The IPS panel provides decent contrast and very good viewing angle stability, but the colours do look a bit pale in my opinion. The brightness is also largely okay, but it falls short under direct sunlight. In direct sunlight, the display was hard to read due to its insufficient brightness. However, considering the H6's low price point, can we really grumble? The AGM H6 boasts decent performance out of the box. It comes with a Unisoc Tiger SoC, which is a combination of 6 ARM Cortex-A55 at 1612MHz and 2 ARM Cortex-A75 at 1612MHz. The phone also has an ARM Mali G57 GPU with a clock rate of 650, so although not a powerhouse, it is very stable. The phone has 8GB of RAM available and does not support 5G, however the H6 has a unique feature that allows it to borrow an additional 8GB from that 256GB of system memory, giving it virtually 16GB of working memory. With that, I have to admit the chip provides decent system performance and can handle multitasking quite well. However, it may not be powerful enough for demanding applications in the long run or for more modern games. Demanding titles may see the H6 suffer, but titles like PUBG surprisingly supply a decent experience. It will surprisingly play the game quite smoothly. Now, if you were to try more demanding titles like Genshin Impact, it may not run smoothly on any graphic presets. However, Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile are less resourceful intensive and can be enjoyed for hours. So for a gaming device, it's okay, but it shouldn't be its main selling point. Aside from gaming though, the Android 13 OS provides excellent performance and an unparalleled user experience. The rugged device operates without any bloatware and always runs smooth animations, which are crucial factors, especially for a daily driver. The H6 is equipped with a non-removable lithium-ion battery that has a capacity of 4,900 mAh, safely guaranteeing a long-lasting battery life. During my usage, the H6 lasted several days without any problems with medium use. And I dare to say that a standby time of 1 week and more should not be a problem at all from a full charge. So for an outdoor device for those weekends away, I think you can safely say it delivers there. On the rear of the H6, we have a dual rear camera setup, consisting of a 50 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. Videos can be recorded in 1080p at up to 30 frames per second. However, the camera lacks optical image stabilization, which can result in shaky footage, particularly in low light scenarios. The results, well, they're not great, but for the price range, it's more than good enough for capturing basic footage for the memory bank. As you can imagine, this also affects the picture quality. Unfortunately, the image quality of all lenses is only average and the pictures lack details. Bright image areas quickly look washed out, and the cameras reveal some weaknesses in my shot of deciphering the differences in high to low tones. In my opinion, the photo looks faded and blurry with a noticeable lack of color saturation. Image noise is also very evident. It is important to keep in mind that the macro lens isn't designed to produce miracles, especially with a resolution of only 2 megapixels. However, with that said, I will say that there is a noticeable image noise and the lens doesn't bring out fine details as strongly as one might hope. So in my opinion, it is a pointless add-on. Despite lacking exceptional camera quality, the device's affordable price, smooth performance, and sturdy build quality make it an excellent choice for outdoor activities. It can serve as a reliable second phone for business travel or simply as a backup phone overall. I must admit the best feature by far of this phone is its solid build quality and sleek design. The device is extremely user-friendly with a nearly borderless screen and a convenient side fingerprint sensor that surprisingly operates rather quickly. The stylish camera module, along with the beautiful ergonomic texture of the back panel, adds to its overall appeal. Now, although that 6.5-inch IPS panel lacks enough brightness in my opinion for its intended use, it is more than sufficient. With all its drawbacks, we can't deny that the price that is being offered for such a slim form factor for a rugged phone, well, it is exceptional. With that said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description, let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.